Okay. So then can you scroll up? Can you scroll up in this?
All the way?
No, no, no. That,
Oh,
that.
sorry.
Oh. Actually, I'm interested in using Screen Hero in addition to this, so that I can like control your screen. What's your Screen Hero email?
Oh yeah, screen here, that would be better. It's just jamale@hotmail.com.
Right. Okay, got it. Let me know if you got that invite. Okay, great. Yeah.
Do you want me to start sharing on Google Hangouts then?
No, stay on Google Hangouts. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. All right. All right. So yeah. So now if we go back to terminal. Okay. So basically, you're having an undefined local variable or method post or post. So that seems to be the problem. Undefined local variable post.
But why are all of them failing now? They weren't all failing before.
Yeah, I'm just taking. I think they all have the same error actually. Okay, so I think they're all complaining about what, line 11? Is that what it is? Hmm. Undefined local variable or method post or post. Undefined local post. Post. Hmm. Did you write this or did Block give this to you?
Block gave that to me. So it was all working before until I added this.
Oh, really?
And actually, when I first wrote that, only one of them failed. And then it's whatever other, I think it's everything else that I've done that. All the other code that I've messed up.
It seems like you're still getting these errors though.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, so what I did is I kind of went through, for the assignment, I just kind of went through the checkpoint again and followed those guidelines, but with post.
Hmm.
So when I first wrote these specs, I only had one failure. And then when I went on to do all the other, maybe it was when I did the post model or something.
Yeah.
It got messed up.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna do post that code and then topic.
Okay.
It's just another way of writing it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, I think it's this actually. I think it's complaining about the fact that post doesn't exist, but I think in this like after save trigger, if I were to guess.
Okay.
Because you send, I'm not sure what trigger you have. Yeah, send new post, create vote. So, okay. So you actually don't need to call post here. You can just call self on it.
Okay.
And then I'm not sure about this new post method. I guess that's in the mailer, right? So I guess we can take a look at the mailer.
Yeah. Hey, how are you doing that? How do you do that?
Command P.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really handy. It's really handy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you only need 2 arguments, so we can actually take out post here. There we go.
Okay. And I need the self, right? Because that's
Yeah, because that's your reference to it.
okay.
All right, now it's all passing now.
Oh. But are those, did I write them correctly?
Did you write
Are those,
did you write your test correctly?
yeah, and are those all the steps that I need for that? Oh, and it's because we don't have them.
I guess we're just focusing on getting those to work, but yeah.
Okay. Right, now there's one failure.
A lot better than 26. So, okay. Expected 1 time. You got 0 times. Okay. Hmm. Did Block give you this code, or you wrote this,
No,
right?
I wrote this one using Block as kind of a guide
Mm-hmm.
with their comment spec.
Right. So I think you have the right idea. Um, well, okay. So I'm trying to like decipher this. So you send a new post after creating, right? So
Right.
now, so let's talk about the functionality of the favorite mailer, right? So just remind me, the favorite mailer sends an email to anyone who's favorited the post when the post has been created. Is that the idea?
No, okay, so when the user creates a post, and yeah, the mailer will send an email saying um, that your post, because your post is automatically favorited when you write it, and and it will send an email saying that it's been favorited and that you will receive other notifications when other people have commented on your post.
Okay. So you created this send new post, correct?
Right.
So
I created.
actually, could you show me what checkpoint this is actually?
This is checkpoint
Favorites, right?
favoriting. Yeah.
The new roadmap or the old one?
New one. The new one.
Okay. Okay, so you created this callback, right? Like this.
Right.
Okay. So it should be this should be in comment though, right? This trigger.
I'm doing the assignment, not the checkpoint.
Right, I understand.
Oh,
So
okay.
the assignment says add in an after create callback to post that creates a favorite for post and user. Right. So like when you initially create it, you the creator of that post favorite that post, right? And it's
Yes.
add a new post method to favorite mailer to notify the post creator that they favorited their post and will receive updates when it is commented on. Okay. Create, yeah. Update the after create callback in post to send the new post email to the post creator. Got it. Okay. Using the Rails console, test the user. Okay, cool. And then it said to use RSpec to test it? Using
Yeah.
right, got it. Okay. It's all coming together now. Okay, so the interesting thing though is that you actually don't even need to create this favorite, right? Because it's already going to be created for you.
Oh, okay. So I thought I had to create that it was going to be okay.
I mean, I was just curious, right? Okay. I mean, you may have to. So
Or would that be a separate test that the user's post is automatically favorited, and then another test to
yeah.
send the email?
Sure. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. Receive new posts with user post. So basically, you're just trying to see if this is getting hit, right?
I think.
Yeah, this isn't being called, isn't it? And then what about order? I guess the expect should come before the save. Jama.
Okay. Oh, just on the comment when they did it the other way.
Right. No, I was just asking. I'm just testing it. I'm sure it comes after. I think the way you had it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just interesting because this is not getting hit.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
So at least this is getting hit. It's just that the other one's not.
Yeah. Oh, all the other ones should work. It's just that one.
Yeah. Well, I'm just saying this after create trigger is in fact getting hit, but this one is not. Okay. So basically, I don't think the favorite. Okay, I see. So this is why you made this. So I think you're supposed to also create an after create trigger that automatically favors the post.
Yeah. Okay. Also.
Mm-hmm. So we should probably just make that really quickly.
But I need. Oh. Okay.
Do you have one that's made already?
I don't. No, I don't.
Okay. Alrighty, so we create the code and we create the favorite. And then at that point, the only thing I'm curious about is like the order. But, yeah. I'll show you why. See that? So this is being called after, right? But you want it to be made before.
Right. So we just move it above send new post.
Okay. Tons of failures. Sorry. Yes, we just need to find the error. All right. There we go. Okay, so it's just confused about the method comment, the favorite mailer. So it seems like we're getting here. So then the question is, I see. So the comment doesn't exist. So there's really.
Right. So can I take this out?
Yeah, probably.
Can I take that out and then this one as well, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you might be in better shape now. Yep.
What's that?
I was just saying I was thinking you'd be in better shape right now, but still errors. Okay, so it says template error. Um, Now, why is it complaining about the template? Is it trying rendering a template that doesn't exist?
Is it the are those the mailer templates in the
Yeah.
view? These ones. Whoops.
Oh, these are specs, I think.
Yeah.
You want to go to the actual view, right? This is
Right.
still under specs.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah.
Alright.
Here. This I have two, an HTML and
I see. It says for some reason that there's like a template error and you're just missing the required key ID. Not sure why. Is this it?
is that it? Yeah, because with this anchor, and then when you and then if you go to that post, the models post. No, not the model, the view, sorry. The post partial, and then I put in this ID here, right?
Yeah, that can be fine.
That,
Well, is that where it's going? Can we go to that mailer part?
this one.
No, well, the view for the mailer, actually.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, I think you're just, what's anchor?
is that supposed to, it's supposed to, when they click on that, it'll go to that page.
Okay.
It'll go to that specific post.
Interesting. Does that belong to the topic post URL call? It's expecting a parentheses? Why? 1, 2. No, that's a good put in parentheses.
All of it.
Hmm? Why is it expecting parentheses, you know?
I don't know. I think before was it something you erased a lot. I don't remember what it was like.
Sure.
I don't know why.
Okay, you want to go to where I was before? Yeah, it's just like this, right?
Hmm.
I'm trying to like scroll to an error. All right, there we go.
That I didn't.
I think the other thing though is that what's that title? Where'd you get Anchor from, anyways?
That's from that's from Blockit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just took whatever they did with the comment and did it with the post.
Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. I see. Now it's expecting parenthesis. It's interesting because it's asking for a parenthesis also on line 7. If I'm not correct.
Oh, right, on line 7.
Yeah, which is confusing. Yeah, I'm trying to figure this out. You don't have like an if-else statement here, do you? This is what's yours here.
A what? Sorry?
I was just wondering if you had an if-else statement in there, but there isn't. Line 7. Line 7's weird. I do also notice though that those are the only two spots where you have Ruby calls using Ruby. You know?
Yeah, all right. So on here, that's what they do, like that?
Yeah.
Hmm. Here we go. Oh. Let me see.
So I see why you put the anchor. You don't need the anchor here, actually. And that's just for the comment.
Okay.
But that's not going to fix it per se. My see, same errors.
I have another new post method somewhere else.
You do?
Yeah, where did they ask you to put it? Oh, that's the favorite mailer. The favorite mailer.
Okay.
But should it be the same name? I don't think that matters. If I don't have that anchor, should I change that view?
What do you mean change the view?
My post partial?
No, you're fine.
Is that away? No? Okay.
Oh,
Because I have that there.
oh, I see you added that for that. Well, it depends.
Yeah.
I mean, you're going to post show, right? This is where you're just getting post show. So you probably don't need that over there. But yeah, let's just focus on getting this to work. Yeah, although I'm kind of stumped. You have a syntax error. Which I'm not sure why.
Oh, that's on the text one. That's on this one. But there is no line 7 or 9, so.
Oh yeah, new post.text.erb.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that's actually really helpful. That's actually the problem. You have a parenthesis on the outside.
Oh, now we're back to 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What, it just received it 0 times or something? That's what it said, right?
Received airtime.
Okay. Yeah, we're getting there. So now if we go to post.rb, yeah, so we just want to see what's actually called. You want to do instant. And again. There we go. Three, 2, and then 0. So 3, 2, and then 0. And then just to take a look at the spec again. Yeah, the order has been, now we're just gonna put the order back to normal.
I was wondering about that.
Yeah, good eye though on the text versus the HTML.erb.
Sorry, I didn't see that earlier.
I mean, that's it happens. Yeah, and then now you're getting this error. Post after create sends an email to users after they create a post to show that it's favorite. Undefined method deliver now for no class. So you're getting something. Okay, so
Is that noise from me or from you?
it's from both of us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Someone must have posted another question in the forum.
I
Uh,
see.
so it's saying undefined method deliver now for no class. Line 53. So it's just claiming that your favorite mailer is in fact no. I don't know why it would be. I guess you have that you have this in the comments back as well, I assume.
Yes.
Mailer. You know what? It's not complaining about the favorite mailer, it's complaining about the method you post.
Right, this one. This one.
Mm-hmm. Which is odd, right? Favorite.user in the post. Hmm. I mean, is there anything missing here?
I don't know. I was just I'm not that I can see.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do I need to have something to associate in here with the topic or?
To associate with the topic?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't think so. I guess the thing we can do is we can see if this method's even being called. Isn't this interesting? So hello 5 is not being called on the last instance. Do you see that?
Right. It should be after.
Yeah, undefined, deliver now for no class. Yeah, it should be up there, right? Well, so go to post back. It's literally crapping out on you. Huh. This method's not even being called.
Is this just supposed to be called new post? Is that different? I'm sorry.
I think it's wherever you made the trigger. Right? The trigger, I think, is send new post, so you're fine.
Okay.
I mean, the thing is, as you can see here, like your user exists, your post exists, but for some reason, it's not even detecting the new post method in favorite mailer, and that seems to be the problem. Which is weird because on every other instance, it's working. Like in the rest of the post specs, it's actually being called. So do you have to like import favorite mailers or anything like that?
I don't know.
Right. These are the only times, 2 times that's called.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then the post spec again. You do have like user and self post here. So that's something. I guess we could take a look at that and just make sure. I guess we don't need this either. I'm sorry. Okay, so you're using user. Man. And self post. What about this end return double deliver now true?
Oh. Yeah, I didn't write that. Oh, then.
That's the last piece you needed.
That edge of the page.
Well, there we go. Yeah, I think it's just because favorite mailer isn't like fully initialized. So it actually doesn't know. And that's like for modularity's sake. But yeah. So now you're good.
Oh my god. All right, so can we test that? Like,
Sure.
you do.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it passed.
And then what do I do?
Anyways, I gotta run.
Okay, thank you.
I hope that
Thank
was
you.
helpful.
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
Great. Thank you.
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, I would do one last thing, which would be to like just remove these print statements.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. Let's do that real quick for you.
Do I need to add more specs?
Whatever you're comfortable with. I guess it's up to you and your mentor.
Okay. It's pretty hard.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. I hope this was helpful.
Yeah, it was. Thanks.
Okay, great. All right. Well, I'll see you soon, and feel free to post on here again.
All right. Yeah, thank you so much for making that help form. It's really good.
You would say it got you unstuck?
Sorry?
You would say it got you unstuck?
That I'm unstuck.
I was just asking, would you say that this got you unstuck?
Oh, yes, definitely. Yeah, thank you. I can't believe I just missed that part.
Yeah. Okay. Happens. I think it was a combination of things. It wasn't just like one problem.
Right. My typo and.
Yeah. And you can view what we did. If you go to terminal, you have to click on it. And then like if you get out of Rails console real quick, you can type git diff.
Oh, okay, right.
And that shows everything that we did together.
Okay.
Cool.
Excellent. Thank you.
Absolutely. All right. Well, take care. And yeah, I'll see you soon.
All right.
All right. See ya.